Good morning, students. So today we will do back exercise of chapter number 1 on page number 15, and first is A part. Over here we have three words, that is small, little and tiny. So first we will understand when we have to use these three words and what is the difference between these three words. So first we will understand the difference between these three words. So as you can see, first we will understand difference between small and little. So first we will understand when we have to use small. So as you can see, we use small when we talk about height or size of something. When we are talking about height or a size of something. Second, it is the opposite of big or large. That is, big opposite is small, large opposite is small. Now you can see some examples. First is, John is small for his age. That means we are talking about John who is small. Here small means he is short. He has not taken up too much height as per his age, that he is small or short in height. Over here we are talking about John's height. Second, I wear a small size shirt. Over here we are talking that I am wearing a shirt which is small in size. So over here we are talking about size. Understood? Now see the third example. A small number of people came to work. So people is a noun. We can count them, 5 people, 10 people. So the nouns which we can count are countable nouns. So with countable nouns we use small. So we will say a small number of people came to work. We will not write a small of people came to work. We will write a small number of people came to work. So this is all of explanation of small. Now let us move to another word, that is little. So we use little when we talk about quantity or we have to show feelings about someone or something. Quantity or we have to show feelings about someone or something. Now we will see some examples. See first example, Mary is a little girl. Now we are talking about Mary who is little. Here little means that she is young. Over here we have written little. So little means she is young. If we have written over here small, that means she is small in height. But over here we have written little, that means she is young. Second, I spilled a little coffee on my shirt. मेरे ऊपर कॉफ़ी गिर गई है या मैंने अपने ऊपर थोड़ी सी कॉफ़ी गिरा ली है. तो we will write little coffee on my shirt. We will not write small coffee on my shirt. We will write I spilled a little coffee on my shirt. Understood? Now see the third example. I had little trouble with my car. Now we cannot count trouble, that is uncountable noun. So with uncountable nouns we will use little. With countable we will use small. With uncountable we will use little. So this is the difference between small and little. Now let us move to the third word, that is tiny. Tiny means very small. जो small से भी छोटा, tiny. It is the opposite of huge. For example, there is a tiny mouse in my house. Tiny means very very small, बहुत छोटा. That dog has a tiny tail. बहुत ही छोटी tail. So this is the all we have to do today, and afterwards you will do page number 16 and page number 17 in your book. Have a nice day.